Respected principal, teachers, honorable guests, and my dear fellow students, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today, we gather here to celebrate one of the most important and glorious days in the history of our beloved country, the 14th of August, Pakistan's Independence Day. On this day in 1947, Pakistan emerged on the map of the world as a free and independent nation. It was not just the division of land, but the birth of a dream, a vision led by the great leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who dedicated his life to the cause of a separate homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent. Pakistan was not achieved easily. It came into being after countless sacrifices, long struggles, and the shedding of blood by our ancestors. Men, women, and even children participated in the freedom movement with courage and determination, dreaming of a land where they could live with freedom, dignity, and Islamic values. Dear audience, independence is a great blessing, but it also brings with it great responsibilities. It is our duty as the youth of this nation to protect our freedom, serve our country with honesty, and work hard for its progress. We must fight against corruption, ignorance, and injustice, and stand united for the peace, prosperity, and development of Pakistan. Let us not forget the message of Quaid-e-Azam: unity, faith, and discipline. We are the future of this country. Let's make Pakistan a symbol of hope, strength, and success in the world. Let's pledge today to contribute in whatever way we can through education, service, and positive action to build a better, brighter Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.